Okay, stop. Hello, good evening. My name is Ajay Balgundode. I am from Latur and I am recently completed my BE in GSI College. And today's video topic is exception handling. The today's session we can see what is meant by exception handling. Then what are the different types of the exception occurring into the and how to handle the exception, and what are the different types of the block used to the exception handling. All this see into the today's session. So first we can see the definition of the exception handling. The definition of the exception handling is it is an unwanted event occurring into the occur, and it is the disturb the normal flow of the programs. It is called as a exception. How to handle the exception, and by using to the try catch we can handle the exception. Exception, this is called as a exception handling. The what is mean by try and catch. The try is a block we can use to the check the we can this check the exception handle, check to the exception, and this sometime the exception may be occur into the try block. This will be JVM bypass the exception to the catch block. The second block we can use to the along with the try block is a catch block we can use to the catch the exception. By using to the catch block we can catch the exception. This catch block will be used to the catching the exception. Then we can use to the we can don't use to the catch block without the try block, but we can using to into the multiple catch block with the try blocks. Means one catch block we can use and multiple one try block use and multiple catch block will be used to the different types of the exception. Means first we can use to the first catch block to the handle the arithmetic exception. Then second block used to the handle the array out of index array out of bound exception. Then the third is used to the arithmetic exception. Also the different types of the exception can be handled by using to the different catch blocks. But also we can use to the nested try blocks. Means nested try catch block. The means what is mean by nested try catch block. The in the try block we can use to the try catch block. This is called as a nested try catch block. It will be handled to the exception into the exception. Means any exception occurring into the try block, this exception handled by using to the next try catch block. It is a used, but this time the the first try catch block will be catch block not execute, but the the second try catch block will be execute. It is used to the nested try catch block. And then we can use to the finally keywords, finally blocks. The finally block will be used to the maybe exception occur and or not occur. This final block will be executed. Means the sometime the exception will be occur into the try block and also to the catch block. That time the finally block we can use to the third block with the catch along with the catch block. This catch final block will be also executed. Means sometime we can need sometime we can also use to the try block and final block with each other, but sometime we don't use to the catch block. Then second we can use to the then we can use to the throw keywords into the user defined exception we can throws, and in the throws keyword you will use to the define the declare the exception. It is all about to use into the exception handling. And we see the example of the exception handling. The exception handling is example is to the sometime we can write any code, and this is a 100 lines code, and then the error occurring to the 50 number. That time we can don't execute the next 50 lines. This next 50 lines we can handle by using to try class block the exception, and that's to the maintain the flow continuous flow of the program by using to the try class block. it is used to the try class try catch, and it is a way to handle the exception. It is a very good concept into the Java. It is all about to the exception. So let's thank you and take